We will solve this today's LeetCode problem. This is an LeetCode easy one. Let's see what the question is. So the question is height checker. So a school is trying to take an annual photo of all the students. The students are asked to stand in a single file line in non-decreasing order by height. Okay. Let this order be represented by the integer array expected, where expected is the expected height of the ith student in line. So you are given an integer array heights representing the current order that the students are standing. Each height I is the height of the ith student in line. We need to return the number of indices where height I is not equals to expected I. Okay, so we have given an array of heights, right? We have given an array of heights, and we need to represent this height in increasing order, right? The expected height should be that this height should be in increasing order. Non-decreasing means increasing, right? Non-decreasing means it's not strictly decreasing, it is increasing. It means difference between increasing and strictly increasing is that strictly increasing strictly increasing, right? Difference between is that in this duplicate elements can exist, like one, right? This is increasing, but in strictly increasing, this one and one will not exist, right? This is not strictly increasing. This one, two, three is strictly increasing, right? So that's the difference between increasing and strictly increasing. So here we have given non-decreasing. So non-decreasing means increasing, not strictly decreasing, right? Either you can write increasing or you can write non-decreasing, right? Same goes for non-increasing. It means decreasing, not strictly decreasing, right? That's the difference between these two words, right? So we need to find in increasing. So duplicate elements can exist. So expected height is expected height is one, 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 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3. Sorry, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4. This should be the expected height in the increasing order, right? So here we need to find the total number of indices where height psi is not equals to expected height. It means at the specific position where this and this is not equal, right? That's what we need to do. So you already know that what we need to do here. We just need to make this height in increasing order and simply check that which indices the both of the elements are equal or not, right? Right, we need to do that only. So for that, uh, one thing is clear that we need to anyhow short it. we need to we need to anyhow short it, right? We need to anyhow sort it, right? So one thing is here that this time complexity, what the time complexity would be, the constraints are only 100, right? So we can use any of sorting algorithm. So what are the various sorting algorithms we can apply here? So see, uh, I will attach one link here. I will attach one link here where you can simply see all the sorting algorithms, see all the sorting algorithms which definitely be asked in some of the in many of the interviews, some of not many of the interviews. And they can ask you to scratch, they can ask you to simply code by scratch, not using any built-in function or anything. So what are you need to see? The main is the main is selection shot. I will write the names of that which you need to see here. That definitely the you just need definitions and also the code of all that. In any interview you can simply you can get these questions of sorting algorithms, right? The bubble shot, again uh, counting shot, right? The counting shot, and again merge shot. Most importantly, you can be asked to use no, don't use built-in function, implement merge short simply, right? And the radix shot, right? Radix shot and heap shot. Heap unit, they can ask you to write the heapify structure, that priority queue, that maxi or minim. You need to they can ask you to simply write built-in functions for that, right? Then they can ask you to bucket shot also, because bucket shot is also can be asked, but not in some many interviews, but yeah, some of the interviews. But here you can see, you need to see that these are the most important, which uh, which can be asked in many interviews: the selection, the bubble, merge, heap. These are the mainly which are can be asked. So, and these are one two three sorting algorithms which are not compulsory, but yeah, they can be asked in some of the interviews. One is also which was asked in my any of the interviews, right? That was the pancake algorithm, pancake pancake sort. So if you can, if you have time, just see that, just go through that and remember just only, right? So these are the some of the okay, one thing also left, I think. Quick shot is also important, right? Quick shot is also important. So yeah, so selection, bubble, quick, counting, merge, and heap, these are the most important sorting algorithms you just need to see, right? So these are need to see. I will attach some one link on description, you can see that uh, in description, right? Just need to see. So in this problem, this is a simple question that you just need to sort it by taking another vector and just compare both of the elements and count it simply, right? So we use built-in function here, of course. We will use built-in function, but in interviews you can be asked to implement any of the any of the sorting algorithms from scratch, right? So basically you need to just try to practice it, or just remember it. I will just tell you that, right? By definition and all, right? So here what we will do, we will take an extra vector. For that, let's try to bn, and we will iterate in this, and I is equals to heights, right? Dots sorry, and I plus plus, and just initialize with it heights, right? After that, we will, after okay, or you, this is the basic condition. Otherwise you can just simply write this v is equals to heights. This will also work, right? This will also work, right? Or you can just write v dot begin to v dot end, just sort it. And now we will compare the answer. Count will be compared from starting point to each and every elements. For that, if this height I is not equals to vi, it means the expected result is not achievable. It means the count should be increased. Now we will simply return this count, right? So this is very easy. Just run this, because we have used the sorting algorithm. But instead of this, interviewers can ask that you need to implement it by scratch. So you need to see all these algorithms, right? So I prefer to I will tell you to read this by your own, and understand all the concepts by your own by reading articles, right? Not by videos, because this all will be, this all are easy, and you need to make a habit of reading articles, right? That would be very helpful for you in any future, and any other algorithms are read, right? So you need to just read the documentation of this instead of videos, right? So yeah, let's submit it, and this is all over. So time and the space complexity of this problem would be again O of n and O of n log n.